In this video, you will learn how to use styles in Figma to speed up your workflow. Before diving into auto layout, let's create local styles to combine variables into reusable settings. This will save your time and keep your design consistent. The styles are great for text and drop shadow effects. To start, you can click outside any frame and you can find the local styles below your local variables. To add a local style, click on the plus button and you can find the text, color, effect, and grid. For this video, we will work with text and effect. Okay, you can click on the text and you can add a style. For example, I will set H2, 2. Okay, for this example, I will set a font family. I will set the heading font, Sora in this case. I will set a font weight. I will set the heading font weight. I will set the font size. Okay, I will set a variable, the font size H2, and set the line height. For the line height, you need to use a percentage because this is the way to use a line height 1.2, 1.3. In the line height of the percent, you can set, for example, 120% is 1.2. Okay, I will set, for example, for this 120%, and then create the style. And you can create a folder to organize your styles. For example, right click and add new folder. I will set, for example, heading test, okay, for this, and you can see the H2 style. I will add, for example, text for H1, okay, 1. I will set the heading font. I will set the variable for the font weight, the heading font weight. I will set the H1 size and 120%. Okay, this is 1.2. Create a style and you can drag this into the folder. If you downloaded the Figma file of the course, okay, you don't need to create all the styles. You can see the styles in the right panel. I will delete these styles and you can see the styles for the heading, for the text, and the box shadow. Okay, you can add more styles if you need, but this is the essentials. For example, I will set a style for the heading, for this heading, and you can see the typography have the font family, the font weight, the font size, and the line height. If you need to add this for all headings, okay, this is not the best way. You need to go to the click on the apply styles and you can select your styles. In this case, this is the H2 and this have the all variables. Okay, this is much faster and speed up your workflow. You can use this for the H1, H2, H3, the text S, M. Okay, the text M is the for the paragraphs. And for example, for this, I will set for this text the style and I will set the text paragraph. Okay, these have all styles. If you change the variable for the font family, for the font weight, for the font size, okay, all the design will change. Okay, this keep your design consistent with the variables. Now you can set the effects. In this case is the box shadow, and you can set, for example, the box shadow. I will edit this, for example, box shadow XX. Click on the icon, you can change the values, and remember, select one variable for the color of the box shadow. Very, very important. Work with variables, and these values don't need a variable. And you can see the shadow for S, M, L. Okay, you can edit the value of each you need. And for this, if you go to the, for example, this section, I will add a box shadow. I will set effect. Okay, I will set the apply style. I set the shadow, for example, shadow M. For this, is very, very important, set a fill. The fill, this is the background. I will set a background white, for example, and you can see that now the effect for the box shadow works. You can change this, for example, I will delete this, the effect, I will set the box shadow XXL, and you can see that this works. You don't need to set all the variables for any element, and this will speed your workflow. And that's it for this video. In the next tutorial, we will learn how to use auto layout to start building our first section. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.